Hi everyone, welcome back. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing this chickpea sandwich, and let me tell you, this was so good. So these are all the ingredients. You will need chickpeas, of course. I'm using the canned chickpeas. You will need vegan mayo or spread, seasonings, garlic powder, red onion, and tomato. So you want to begin by draining that liquid from the canned chickpeas. Give these a rinse and then add them to your bowl. So the next step is to mash the chickpeas. You can choose to mash this out entirely or leave some chunks of chickpeas, okay? So here I'm chopping up half a red onion. You can also choose to use scallion as well. So after adding the onion, you want to now season this. So right here I'm adding some garlic powder followed by nature seasoning. You can also choose salt and black pepper to season as well, okay? But just make sure that you season this to your liking. Now after that, you want to go in and add your vegan mayo or a spread. So now that I'm done with the chickpeas, it's time to put this sandwich together. So this is my homemade chia bread. I will be doing a recipe tutorial for this bread very soon. But in that meantime, you can choose whatever bread that you have on hand. Okay, I also went ahead and chopped up my tomato, and this recipe is not just limited to tomato. You can add other vegetables of choice that you have on hand, such as lettuce. And there you have it, a simple, delicious sandwich. You can choose to have this for breakfast, which I did. You can have this for lunch, or if you just want a light dinner, this comes right in hand. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for some more amazing recipes. Until next time, God bless.